Hey besties, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are decorating my espresso martini themed Christmas tree. Yes, the espresso martini themed Christmas tree. And you already know I brought in some really cute ornaments that I can't wait for you guys to see. So if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn notifications on so that you don't miss anything. If you are not new here, welcome back. And I'm excited to get this tree done. Listen, I think this is gonna be one of my favorite trees in the house, hands down. So we have put together the bedroom tree, the front entry door tree, the basement tree, the living room tree, my bedroom tree, all of those trees. And now here is my dining room kitchen table tree. And I decided to make it an espresso martini themed drink, I guess, tree. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And if you have any questions, concerns, or emotional outbursts, make sure you drop it in the comment section. Most of the decorations that you're gonna see going on this tree came from Target, Kirkland's, and Hobby Lobby. Those are the main three places where I got these ornaments. If it's something specific that you wanna know where it came from, drop it in the comments and I'll make sure I get that answer to you. Bestie, so we are completely done with the espresso martini tree. We're completely done with the espresso martini tree, and it is so freaking cute. I mean, it is gorgeous. It's probably the cutest tree that I've ever decorated. Listen, if this does not inspire you to make one of these trees, then you're uninspirable, okay? This tree is so pretty. Like, oh my God, I really did my big one on this one. No, listen, it is so pretty. I love it so much. All of the chocolates and all of the nudes and all of the hints. Oh my God, it is so cute. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Let me get this all cleaned up and I'll give you a full view of what it looks like. I hope you guys love it and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I am. I cannot just wait to just sit up and chill in front of this tree. Listen, so I made these handmade, a little DIY. I am going to do another video to show you guys exactly how I put them together. I tried to throw it all into one video, but that wasn't going to work. But I will do another DIY to show you guys exactly how I put these together. Oh my God, they are so stinking cute. So obviously they don't come with the espresso martini on them. So I will give you guys all the details on that. But I am so excited to unveil this tree and I hope you guys are excited as I am. Besties, make sure that you turn notifications on so that you don't miss anything. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna do an entire countdown for the holidays. I'm taking you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy and make sure you tag me in some of the fun stuff that you guys are doing as well. Cheers, besties.